Hey guys, some days ago we posted a video about Amazfit GTR 2. Now we have another new smartwatch from the same company, Zepp E. The manufacturer of both watches is Xiaomi. You know, even the application on smartphone for Amazfit GTR 2 is called Zepp, just like the watch we are going to talk about in this video. Zepp E is about $70 more expensive than Amazfit GTR 2. You can buy this watch for $250. However, is it better than Amazfit GTR 2? Let's talk about main features of the new Zepp watch. Please subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers, and let's start the review. So here is the box of Zepp E smartwatch. On the front we can see the watch in full size and Zepp logo. On the back there's information about Xiaomi company. You can also see that I have a spherical version with a diameter of 42mm and polar black color. When you open the box, you will see a smartwatch with factory film and a leather strap. There is also a charging cable, user manual, and another longer strap for those who have a large wrist. You know, this is the first watch I have tested that has a second strap included. Overall, the box and package of a Zepp E tells us that this is a premium watch. The first impression from Zepp E smartwatch is that it is very compact and lightweight. For comparison, this is my Amazfit GTR. As you can see, Zepp E is much smaller. The size of the new Zepp smartwatch is 42.2 by 42.2 by 9.1mm. Yeah, this watch has a thickness of only 9.1mm. Also, the watch is very lightweight, only 32 grams. I have the version with polar black color. The front of the watch is black, but the main case is silver. On the right side we can see physical button, but it is rectangular, not round like the other watches. On the back there is heart rate sensor, SpO2 blood oxygen sensor, and charging contacts. My smartwatch has a black leather strap, so this is not a sport version. However, the watch has many sport modes, including swimming in the pool. If you plan to play sports with this watch, then I recommend buying a silicone strap. You can buy any strap you want, but make sure it is 20mm wide. By the way, as I already said, Zepp E has a second leather strap in the package. It is longer than the first one, 130mm. So the new Zepp E really looks and feels like the premium watch. It is compact and very lightweight. The body is made of high-quality stainless steel, while the strap is leather. This watch is very good for both men and women. You know, Zepp E smartwatch is available with a circle and square display. As you can see, I have a circle version. It has 1.28-inch diagonal and 416 by 416 pixels. This is AMOLED touch panel. The screen is very good. The problem with budget watches is that you can see nothing on the screen in direct sunlight. However, Zepp E doesn't have this problem. Finally, let's turn the watch on and look at the functions. Before using the watch, you need to download the app on smartphone and bind the watch. Later we will talk about the app. You know, the user interface and most functions of Zepp E are the same as Amazfit GTR 2. The watch has 3 watch faces pre-installed, but you can download much more through the app on smartphone. Also, the watch faces support widgets, so you can choose what information is displayed on the screen. In the quick settings menu, you can see the date and time, battery level, weather, connection with mobile device. Also, you can use some useful functions, such as flashlight, screen brightness, do not disturb mode, battery saver mode, screen lock, find phone, and theater mode. The screen with the new notifications is at the bottom. You can also swipe left or right to check your daily activity, such as taps and distance, measure heart rate, music control on smartphone, check weather, and Pi. The menu with all apps and functions is opened by pressing physical button on the right side. Here is Pi, heart rate, SpO2, workout, activities, stress, activity goal, weather, music, alarm, events, widgets, and the settings menu. In the settings you can choose the watch face, adjust screen brightness, select the time for auto screen off, turn on/off always on display, as well as choose the style for always on display. You can also adjust the vibration power of the watch. Now I want to measure heart rate. The first result 60 is when I am calm. The second one, 90, is after I did a quick workout for 2 minutes. I think the watch measures heart rate quite accurately. Also, I have tested SpO2. As you can see, I have a result of 98%. I googled and I found out that I'm okay and healthy. By the way, I want to check if I can start the sport mode and control the music on smartphone. Zepp E has 11 sport modes. Yes, you can start any sport mode and use all the functions of smartwatch, including music player, notifications, etc. It means that Zepp E smartwatch supports multitasking. That's very good. The application for Zepp E smartwatch is the same as for Amazfit GTR 2 and other Xiaomi watches. The app is very useful because you can download watch faces, set up notifications and reminders, add vibration method for incoming call, notifications, etc. And there's also a health monitoring menu in the app. Here you can choose heart rate detection method, detection frequency, activity detection, and heart rate alert. There's also a beta version of sleep breathing quality monitor. The last function is all-day pressure monitoring. In the watch settings, you can find display and brightness, vibrate, off wrist lock and password, a band location, and even watch system language. By the way, Zepp E supports many different languages, including Chinese, English, Russian, Spanish, and others. If you don't want to have certain apps on the watch, you can hide them in the app list management. Of course, there's the main screen of the app with steps, calories, distance, sleep time, SpO2 and heart rate measurements, Pi and sleep score. Talking about battery life of Zepp E smartwatch, it is 7 days in typical usage and up to 15 days in basic watch mode. As you understand, the battery life depends on the usage. If you do many sports, for example running with active GPS, then the battery will drain faster. Also, the measurement of heart rate and blood pressure affects the battery life of the watch. Anyway, 7 days of battery life is very good result for smartwatch. At the beginning of this video I was wondering which smartwatch was better, Zepp E or Amazfit GTR 2. I cannot say for sure, because each of them has its advantages. Zepp E has premium design, compact size and high quality material. Also, I like the user interface and multitasking, so you can start a sport mode, control music, measure blood pressure, etc. From other side, Amazfit GTR 2 has the same user interface and multitasking, but also Amazfit Watch has Bluetooth calls function, so you can receive phone calls on the watch. In addition, Amazfit GTR 2 has built-in storage for music. You can upload the music on the watch, connect the wireless earbuds, and listen to music without smartphone. You cannot do the same on Zepp E. So if you need Bluetooth calls and built-in storage for music, then it is better to buy a Amazfit GTR 2. Besides, it is cheaper than Zepp E. Which smartwatch do you like more, Zepp E or Amazfit GTR 2? Write in the comments below. Thank you for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.